Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free video editing apps for your iPhone. So if you are looking for the best video editing app for your iPhone, then you should watch this video till the end. First on our list is VN Video Editor. In this, you can edit free 100 videos. For more, you have to purchase the paid version. Tap on New Project, then select the video that you want to edit. Now here you can edit the video, like split the video, apply effects, trim the video, manage the speed, and much more things. After all done, tap here to export it. Here you can check out the more templates. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our list is VLLO. Tap here to create new project. Select the aspect ratio and content mode. Now you can edit the video, like applying music, sound effect, and voiceover. From here, you can add graphics, text, effects, and much more. After all done, tap here to export it. Also, you can manage the resolution, frame rate, and so on. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is GoPro Quick. First you have to add video to the album. Then select the video, then tap on edit. Now you can edit it like splitting the video, applying the lens, frames, add filters, manage the speed, and so on. After all done, tap here to save it. And here you can do the cinematic editing. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our list is iMovie. From here, you can select the option that is suitable for you. In this, you can do only basic things like splitting, duplicate, manage the speed, and apply filters. But the storyboard offers great editing options. Also, you can check out the Magic Movie option. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Video Editor Effects by CapCut. Tap here to create a new project, then select the ratio and the video that you want to edit. The main downgrade is that you can only export one video for free, but it offers great editing options like adding text, music, stickers, blur the video, and few more. When all done, tap here to export it. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.